Welcome back to Flash Philosophy. Even water does a thing. It does something. It does stuff. Destroys metal. Dissolves things. Sticks to everything. Carries life as we know it. And you're made of it. You're made of this stuff. In fact, you're loaded with it. And we find water on Mars. We found entire planets covered in frozen bodies of water. It's found on asteroids and meteors. I'd say it's very well documented that water is out there. And that's you. That's the whole kit and caboodle. That's literally you out there. The same stuff. The same physical matter. Yet many of us sit there and still believe that this universe, that the things in our life are merely happening to us, as if we're not a part of the whole thing, as if you didn't grow out of this rock the same way an apple grows out of an apple tree. But why do you consider the apple tree so different from the apple? Is it because one has roots stuck in the ground and the other one doesn't? I mean, just because our legs aren't rooted in the ground doesn't mean that we're separate or apart from it, does it? So is the universe happening to you, or are you a part of the whole thing? I think you're a piece of it. You're a part of it. You're all of it. You see, this is part of the debate about the existence of life. And let's just reset the room here real quick. Everything inside of you, everything that you're made of, and all the stuff that comes out of you not only exists in the universe, it existed in the universe first. This is a fact. This is why scientists can tell you that you are literally made of stardust, because the carbon and the gases and whatever else they can detect in the stars are the same elemental things that our flesh and bones are made of. And there are, of course, countless things that we don't have the technology to detect, but let's put that aside for now. So the basic premise is that everything within you, even the systems that exist within you, the neuroprocesses and the digestive processes and the biochemical interaction are all outgrowths of things that exist elsewhere in the universe. And to be poetic about it, within you are the elements of literally everything that exists. And for some philosophers, what this means is that everything that can be found in you or other people is a part of this broader universe. This includes love, compassion, and beauty. That's right. We are a part of this whole thing, and therefore all the things we find in each other are necessarily a part of the universe. Just like an apple seed contains within it the potential to become an entire apple tree, so too do each of us carry the potential to experience elements of the universe that are within our power to experience. We're just a different kind of fruit, different kind of tree. So if you ever catch yourself feeling like there's no point to life, or that the universe is hopeless, or anything like that, think about this. Are your bones just some dead rocks with flesh on top? Or are you a living being? Is the earth just some dead rock with some living stuff on top? Or are we a part of a broader, unified living thing? And if we zoom that out even further, we realize that it actually can make logical sense that we are all a part of an ongoing system that is greater than any of us. And even if you refuse to be a believer in something greater, one can still logically acknowledge that a theory of the universe that includes you as a part of it is more optimistic than a theory of the universe that treats you like you're an alien, like it's all happening to you. Because if you ask me, the latter one sounds kind of depressing, and all else the same. Most people will choose the optimistic model of the universe, the one that tells them that love and beauty and compassion are the things that unite us with the earth and the universe, not what set us apart from it. And if you can understand this fundamentally, if you can believe this wholeheartedly, friend, you'll have found your way to nirvana. You'd have found that sense of inner peace, your zen, your satori. And remember, you're gonna do great today.